Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up monitoring with Prometheus on VPS, full guide step by step clearly. First, log into your VPS using SSH. Use your favorite terminal application for this process. Ensure that your system is up to date by running the command sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade y. Install essential packages with sudo apt install y Prometheus node exporter. Once the installation is complete, check the status of Prometheus using sudo system status Prometheus. If Prometheus isn't running, start it with the command sudo system start Prometheus. Next, enable Prometheus to start on boot by running sudo system enable Prometheus. Locate the Prometheus configuration file at /etc/prometheus/prometheus.yml. Open the configuration file in a text editor, for example, use sudo nano /etc/prometheus/prometheus.yml. In the configuration file, add a new job for the node exporter under the scrape_config section. For example, you can configure it like this: job_name, node static_configs, targets, localhost 9100. Save the file and exit the text editor. Restart the Prometheus service to apply your changes using sudo system restart Prometheus. To check if Prometheus is scraping targets correctly, open your web browser. Navigate to http:// your server IP 9090/targets. You should see the node exporter listed as an available target. If it's not showing up, double-check your configuration file for any errors. Next, we will install Grafana for visualizing the data. Run the command to install Grafana, sudo apt install y Grafana. Once the installation is complete, start the Grafana service with sudo system start Grafana server. Enable Grafana to start on boot by executing sudo system enable Grafana server. Open your web browser and go to http:// your server IP 3000. Log in using the default credentials, which are username admin and password admin. After logging in, change the default password as prompted. To add Prometheus as a data source, click on Configuration in the left sidebar. Select Data Sources and then click on Add Data Source. Choose Prometheus from the list. In the HTTP URL field, enter http:// localhost 9090. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.